naman daw isang balon. At
Yan yung
nakasulat.
mga paano ko lang sa kanya pa-surprise. Pero hindi naman. Kasi marami dapat yan eh. Dapat nga may bumibitin pa doon sa taas.
Gusto daw niya malaman kung bawag ako or ano. Kaya ganyan, may ganyan pa ganyan. Sa ano na?
Putukin mo yung ano dyan.
Putukot. Gusto daw niya putukan. Oh my gosh.
Putukin mo yan. Basahin mo muna yun.
Hindi ako ay, baliktad pala kaya hindi ko marunong magbasa eh. 30 things why I love you. Laki ng mukha ako. Hindi kasya oh. Putukin ko.
Yup. Pumutok ka.
Pumutok ko. Ano ba yan? Nabuwa ko. Ay, sa akin ito, mayroong ano, bracelet.
Oo, sa'yo yan.
Scorpio?
Diba Scorpio ka?
Scorpion. Maano ako, kamandag.
Makamandag daw siya.
30 things I love you daw. 30. Number 1.
Walang number yan. Basta
You
basahin
choose
mo.
me over everything else. Yung over my dogs. They stay. You make me feel so safe. Tutulak ko nga sa dan mamaya. Safe pala. You're cute when you're grumpy. Pagilan na yun? Ano namang 30?
Pala.
You choose me as your partner. Oh, partner in crime. You appreciate my beauty and personality. 2, 4. Ano namang 30?
Anong wala? Meron pa isang balon, di ba?
Ay, meron ba?
Oo.
You love my family. Kasi sa family mo, merong parang ako na overthinker. You're smart and dedicated to your job. Yeah. Kaya nga wala ako doon ngayon eh. Bakasyon with bayad des. You are missing piece of my heart. Oh, son? Wala kang bra. Wala siyang bra. Wala siyang bra. Wala siyang bra.
Hindi nakikita yung mga bears.
We're so different and yet so the same. Huh?
Huh? Ano yun? Huwag mong kalating ipon natin yan.
You are generous. Ilan na yun?
Hindi ko na alam. 2, 4,
You treat me like a queen.
8,
Queen?
10, 11,
Queen of lovers? Because you make me feel so special.
12,
I
13.
love you because you are understanding and responsible
Parang ano?
person. Ha?
Parang tagilid.
Ang alin?
Ayun.
Ang tagilid. Because you are determined to make this relationship. Duh! Layo ng pinanggalingan ko to make this relationship. Ayun na. Yun na yun?
Oo, yan. Huwag mong lakasan.
Eh, malay ko bang...
Oh, hanapin mo yan. Hoy, Mr. Grumpy.
Yan na.
Ayun na.
Tikto tayo guys kasi pumutok at nagtapon doon sa ano. Yan, continuation. It's enough to think of you to make me smile. Kalandi mo. Alami. My love for you knows no bounds. Bounce. My life is enriched by your presence in it.
Ow! Hello, yun oh. May baby bear nun oh. magkayakap.
Ganyan mo kasi. Yan. O, ganyan. I love you unconditionally. Oh.
Takpan ang dapat takpan.
You mean the word to me. A whole new world. Lang to. With you, I discovered that time and space do not exist. Ay, bakit may... Ayan yung ano, dinikit ko kanina pala. I love you more than words can say, more than actions can show, and more than you will ever know. I
Kanta
love you
yun.
more than words can say, more than actions can show, and more than you will ever know.
Kanta yun.
You are only tungo for at least 8 hours per day. At least.
At least. Kailangan mong matulog, di ba?
I love you how relationship took the test of time and distance. No more distance. Bakit may lipstick? Nalikan mo pa? Every moment with you is a treasure. Treasurer na siya. You complete me. I never felt this whole before I met you. Pari first love mo. Sabi niya, like ka kanina. First love.
First love never dies.
Oh, si first love niya. Kaya nga, sinabi pa niya, no? You make me a heart smile. Oh, gutom tuloy ako. Ay, mayroon pa isa. Tara, mag-ano ng pagkain na ano, doon, mainit. You're important to me and I don't take knowing you for granted.
Tingnan mo yan ang gusto mo. Oh, ayan na. Anong masasabi mo, Mr. Grumpy?
I'm hungry. Thank you for the special surprising na putoking and everything. And yes, thank you for making my trip here worth it. Worth it kasi worth it ka naman talaga.
Thank
I
you.
love you too.
Bye.
I-off mo na yan.
Feels like love, Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though